In the fast-paced and dynamic world of finance, staying ahead isn't just an option. It's a necessity for those who dream of standing out. The CFA program is globally recognized as a beacon of excellence and the gold standard in investment management. But the game is changing. The CFA program has undergone remarkable transformations. Technology is at the forefront. Think artificial intelligence, big data, and machine learning, directly integrated into the CFA curriculum. ESG considerations have also gained prominence, reflecting the industry's growing interest in sustainable investing. With more frequent testing and the introduction of computer-based assessments, candidates can now navigate their way through the program at a faster pace. But why CFA? First, global recognition. A CFA charter is a symbol of competence and integrity. Next, the body of knowledge covering topics such as fixed income, equity, portfolio management forms the foundation for many roles in the investment industry. And finally, the power of connections. The CFA community, a network of like-minded peers, mentors, and industry leaders, is your gateway to knowledge, trends, and exciting career opportunities. But the CFA curriculum covers thousands of pages of content that can be overwhelming. At Quartic, we provide structured study support, as well as video libraries, question banks, live workshops, and mock exams to help our candidates intuitively navigate the content. Your success journey is personal. Our unparalleled tutor support ensures every candidate receives individual guidance tailored to their background. Whether you are already studying or embarking on your CFA studies, your CFA success story begins with Quartic.